Today's recipe, Vengaya Kosu, well, literally translated to Chettinad Onion Curry. Well, it's not really a curry, it's quite a misnomer there because this is more of an accompanying chutney which goes amazingly well with idli, but it's called a curry. And when you make this, you neither need a chutney separately nor a sambar. It's fantastic to say the least. Chettinad Onion Curry. Let's begin. Well, the hallmark of Chettinad cuisine is literally a spice called lichen flower or stone flower. And if you don't have that, you can give this recipe a break, make that a little later. Ensure you get this ingredient because it's a must. But if you cannot lay your hands on it, make this recipe, you'll not get the same regional flavor, but nevertheless, you'll reach somewhere closer. Now, the beauty of this recipe is that it does not only have onions, it also has tomatoes and potatoes. It also has a chutney made with coconut. It's quite a little bit of everything into one recipe. Very interesting. Let's get in. Let's turn the flame on and begin with regular vegetable oil. Let's begin with spluttering some mustard seeds. Quickly also add in urad dal, which is black gram, but the polished one. While the urad dal is changing its color, let's quickly add in the garam masala, a stick of cinnamon, a couple of cloves, cardamom. Time to add in our hero ingredient, lichen or stone flower. Along with this, a couple of sprigs of curry leaf, green chilies, and lots of sliced onions. In this case, red onions. While the onions are getting sauteed, let's also add in diced potatoes and along with this, some sliced tomatoes. Two absolutely basic spices, turmeric powder, garam masala, salt as required, and water. Allow this to cook on medium flame for around 15 minutes. And in that time, let's quickly grind the coconut and spice paste. Let's begin with fresh coconut. To this, let's add in roasted chana, couple of dried red chilies, along with this, poppy seeds, and lastly, fennel seeds. All of this is untoasted. Let's cover this and grind all of this into a fine paste. Our curry paste is done and ready, and the onion, potato, tomato mixture is also getting beautifully cooked. It'll take at least around 10 to 12 minutes for the potatoes and all the ingredients actually to become fork tender. And that's the beauty of this curry. Now, while this is getting cooked, the chutney is done and ready. In another 2 minutes or so, we'll add in the chutney, stir it well, then put it on a complete simmer. Allow it to stew literally for around 7 to 8 minutes. All the ingredients will become wonderfully well cooked. The potatoes and all, of course, have to retain shape. They don't have to get mushed out completely. You're not making like a sludge or a stew here. And then let's wait and watch how it works. A quick little stir. If you see, the potato is not completely well cooked. It still has a little bit of a bite that is retaining. If you see, still slightly undone, slightly starchy in the center. Let us put this back and add in a wet paste. And finally, water from the blending jar. Give this a good mix. Turn the flame on a medium and allow this to now simmer. 8 to 10 minutes is just about perfect. Perfect. With this, off goes the flame and the most amazing Chettinad Onion Curry is done and ready. And like I said again, it's not a curry really. It's a combination of a chutney and a sambar, if I can say so. If I can take the liberty of actually saying so. Make this for family, make this for friends. It's something really unique. Trust me, they like it. And the best part of it is it happens in a jiffy and saves a lot of time. Because like I said, you don't have to make an array of chutneys. You don't have to make a separate sambar. Just make this onion curry. And there you have Chettinad Onion Curry. This is me, Varun signing off. Bye for now.